Should I invest now or wait for a stock market crash? So lately I've been seeing a lot of videos of people calling a top and saying that the market will crash. So let's hear some thoughts that I have about that. If you're active on social media, then it's very likely that you're getting messages like this. So what should you do? Should you buy stocks or wait for the market to come down? So I will start with this. Nobody knows when the market will go down. Not the people on YouTube, CNBC, Twitter, and certainly not the people on Wall Street bets. There are a lot of perma-bears out there that will tell you that the market will crash every day. And guess what? One day they will be right and it will correct. So here's what you can do about that. Here's a shameless plug. I just started the channel, so if you like the videos, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. So let's get back to what we can do about it. If you're a passive investor, then just keep adding regularly to your portfolio. If the index is down, you can add more. If it's up, you can add more. If it goes sideways, you can also add more. It's futile to try to time it. So will the market be up next week? I don't know it, and nobody else really knows this. But there's a high probability that in 10 years from now, the market is higher than it is today. So just keep reinvesting dividends and keep adding money to your portfolio. And if you're picking individual stocks, then you should just do the same. Did you find a stock that you believe is undervalued after a lot of extensive research and analysis? Then just buy it today. First of all, if you believe that the stock is undervalued and you have a margin of safety, then what does it matter if it drops another 1 or 2%? And secondly, you don't know when the stock drops to present a buying opportunity. So it's also very likely that you find a cheap stock and it will just keep going higher and higher and becoming more expensive. The worst thing you can do is wait for a crash that will never come. And on top of this is something you shouldn't worry about anyways, because you have no control over it. Here's a great quote by one of my favorite investors, Peter Lynch. Far more money has been lost by investors trying to anticipate corrections than lost in the corrections themselves. Here are some ways you could lose money. Opportunity cost by sitting on too much cash, expensive hedges, or wasting money on newsletters, among many others. So just make sure you avoid leverage and keep adding to your portfolio. Think long term. And ignore the people that will tell you all the time that the market will crash. They don't know more than you do anyways. In my view, many of these people are just trying to sell their newsletters. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.